Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the world of fleet maintenance. We'll learn what it is, why it's crucial, and who utilizes it. We'll also delve into the roles of the key players in fleet maintenance, fleet managers, drivers, and fleet mechanics. Plus, we'll explore some real-life examples and resources you can tap into. So sit tight and get ready to delve deep into this fascinating topic. Let's dive right into the world of fleet maintenance. So what exactly is fleet maintenance? It's the process of keeping all of your organization's vehicles in good working order so that they can be used safely and effectively. Now, why is fleet maintenance important? Well, there are several benefits to a good fleet maintenance program. Firstly, it focuses on preventive maintenance to ensure issues never occur during the use of the vehicle. This approach also helps to lower the costs of repairs. Maintaining a vehicle's engine might be expensive in the short term, but it's not as expensive as having to replace the entire engine or the entire vehicle. Just like you shouldn't neglect to change your personal car's oil, you shouldn't neglect your fleet either. Secondly, performing preventive maintenance on your fleet can reduce operational costs. When your vehicles run at top efficiency, they use less fuel and retain their value in case they need to be liquidated later. A well-maintained vehicle will cost more than a broken-down one in almost all cases. Lastly, fleet maintenance produces better outcomes in vehicle testing and inspections for obvious reasons. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration is responsible for regulating the safety of trucks across America. Performing regular maintenance on your fleet leaves no room for corrective action from such agencies while making your vehicles safer for your drivers. Now, let's talk about the three types of fleet maintenance workers: fleet managers, drivers, and fleet mechanics or repair technicians. Fleet managers oversee their entire fleet, serving as the central hub for the creation of maintenance plans and service scheduling. Their responsibility lies in the actual design of the vehicle's maintenance schedule. They also deal with acquiring new vehicles and selling older ones, so they have a vested interest in making sure that their vehicles retain as much value as possible. This means looking into tire servicing, glass, body, oil, and other fluids. Drivers, on the other hand, spend the most time in the vehicle. They have the equally important responsibility of daily diagnosis of their vehicle's condition. They are often the first person to see warning lights or signs, and as such, they should convey this information to their managers as soon as possible. Drivers should also carefully inspect their vehicle so that it successfully meets the Department of Transportation's minimum requirements. Depending on the size of the fleet, some organizations may find it worthwhile to invest in a dedicated fleet mechanic. This person is responsible for the regular maintenance of the entire fleet, making it a cost-effective solution for fleets with many similar vehicles. Otherwise, an organization will contract any number of repair technicians who will take care of maintenance and repair work as needed. So, who utilizes fleet maintenance? Any organization that regularly uses company-owned vehicles utilizes a fleet maintenance program. Some examples include trucking companies, car rental services, government vehicles, and even farming equipment. Let's look at some examples of fleet maintenance. Trucking companies are a great example. Because cargo trucks often traverse long miles and a large variety of climates, it is imperative that a rock-solid maintenance structure exists so that a truck doesn't break down in the middle of nowhere. The health of a truck has a direct relationship with the profitability of the company. When trucks break down, that means that deadlines are missed, making their customers unhappy and potentially jeopardizing their business. Another example is any organization that uses company vehicles for its employees. Transporting valuable employees in compromised vehicles is a massive safety risk, so it's in the best interest of both the company and its employees to have a comprehensive fleet maintenance program. Safety can also be a monetary issue, given that accidents can cost employees and their employers staggering amounts of money. If a faulty car causes an accident, who is to blame? If you're interested in learning more about fleet maintenance, there are some great resources out there. Fleet Maintenance Magazine publishes the best and most current fleet maintenance practices for a variety of vehicle sizes. And Government Fleet provides articles and posts about best government fleet maintenance practices. And there you have it. That's the lowdown on fleet maintenance. It's all about keeping your vehicles in top shape, reducing costs, and ensuring safety. So, whether you're a fleet manager, driver, or mechanic, remember the importance of fleet maintenance and keep those wheels turning. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of fleet maintenance, its importance, and how it's implemented. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, keeping your fleet in top shape is key to reducing costs and ensuring safety. Keep those wheels turning and see you in our next video.